ChatGPT is no doubt the hottest generative AI product out there, with companies scrambling to exploit the trendy new AI tech. Also, there have been discussions that plans for ChatGPT 5 have already begun, and users are speculating about its capabilities, with many expressing high expectations for the next version. So is ChatGPT 5 going to be the strongest AI chatbot in the world? Find out by watching this video. Ever since ChatGPT announced its fourth incarnation, the internet has been awash with never-ending news and updates about what it could mean for the future. Given how fast OpenAI is moving, some were quick to wonder when ChatGPT 5 was coming. After all the previous version had already taken the world by storm, it seemed that we had an AI content generator that was, for want of a better phrase, a game changer. And now, just a few short weeks after becoming the buzzword of 2023, ChatGPT is giving us a new and improved offering. But before we get to ChatGPT, GPT-5, let's talk about all the new features that were introduced in the latest GPT-4 update. Microsoft revealed that the potent software upgrade had been powering Bing Chat for weeks before OpenAI debuted GPT-4 in the middle of March. All ChatGPT Plus members can now use GPT-4 for $20 per month or utilize some of its features for free via apps like Bing Chat or PD for Apple Watch. Support for multimodal input is the feature that makes GPT-4 a necessary upgrade. In contrast to earlier ChatGPT versions, you can now provide the chatbot with information via a variety of input modalities, including text and graphics. The generative AI chatbot also supports multiple languages. The performance of ChatGPT's answers have been enhanced via OpenAI. This includes its capacity to pass tests. The GPT-4 engine essentially guarantees top grades on almost all exams. Last but not least, OpenAI hopes to provide ChatGPT with eyes and ears with plugins that enable the bot to connect to the live internet for certain purposes. All software upgrades, including GPT-4 and GPT-5, should be compatible with this single upgrade. In late 2023, GPT-5 will follow, according to certain reports. The most significant ChatGPT update to date. But OpenAI stated in mid-April 2023 that it is not currently training the next generation model. Now you might be thinking what the potential impact of GPT-5 will have on us? Well, the release of GPT-5 could significantly impact the development of AI models. OpenAI's previous GPT models have revolutionized the field of AI, and GPT-5 is expected to be even more powerful. But the release of GPT-5 could also lead to further concerns about the safety and ethics of AI. Some experts have called for a moratorium on the development of AI models more powerful than GPT-4 until ethical and safety issues can be adequately addressed. OpenAI is responsible for developing its GPT models responsibly and with safety and ethics in mind. Our platform uses advanced algorithms to analyze the content and produce output that mimics the way humans write. GPT-5 is poised to surpass its predecessor GPT-4 in notable ways. While GPT-3 was mainly a language model, GPT-4 incorporated a vision model, and GPT-5 is expected to possess both of these abilities while also adding a sound recognition model. So how far could ChatGPT-5 go? The short answer, and the scary one for those mumbling about Skynet under their breath, is this. When it comes to AI, the sky is the limit. Before OpenAI changed the game in November 2022, few would have thought that we would be talking so confidently about this just 5 months later. And yet, that is exactly what happened. Some universities have already banned their students from using ChatGPT. It is forcing people to change their thinking, with some colleges and universities announcing that ChatGPT is the perfect research tool and others fearing it is the end of independent thinking. It is definitely a wonderful tool for bringing all the relevant research you need into one place, but we still think an over-reliance on it can be problematic for students and teachers the same way. Educational leaders need to know their students are producing original work, and that can be tricky when so much ChatGPT's content comes back as 100% unique when run through plagiarism checkers. It means schools must rethink their methods, but that is always the case when new technology changes the game. The fact that ChatGPT 5 is around the corner with all the improvements that it is likely to bring only makes the need for constant adaptation all the more important. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and found it interesting, then please make sure to leave us a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon to always be updated with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded.